Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional landing page for free using Google Sites, no coding, no hosting, and no cost. Just a clean functional page you can publish in minutes. Google Sites is a free website builder by Google that lets you create simple websites or landing pages use drag and drop lead cap drag and drop tools perfect for promoting products, lead capture, portfolios, or events. First of all, go to sites.google.com and log into your Google account. Click on blank site to start a new site. Give your landing page a title like free ebook or summer sale. Choose a theme on the right side to match your brand. Click themes and choose one from here like that. You can add background image from images section. Just click on image tab, then and upload an image from your computer. Keep your title short and attention grabbing. This is the first thing visitors see. Now let's build the landing page section by section. Header section. Click on the title to edit it. Add a background image. Add a logo or brand name. You can enter site name, your site name like that. You can add logo from here. Click add logo. Then upload your logo from your computer. And it you can see the logo is added. Intro text or value proposition. Click text box from the insert tab. Write a short intro like download now. Download our free guide to 10x your productivity. You can change the font size. Click select all from here. Select a font style like that. You can increase the font size and align. Go to align section and select middle align section, and that's it. Link it to a Google Form document or external URL. Now call to action button. Go to insert, then choose button from here. Name it like download now. Now enter your download link. Like I will use, for example, a YouTube video. Just copy the URL and paste here and click insert. Then adjust the section like that. You can link it to a Google form, document, or external URL like YouTube contact form. Embed a Google form, insert, then go to insert, find for forms tab. Now add a form like that, then click insert and adjust the alignment. Less in is more. A clean, focused layout works better for conversions. Let's customize the page to match your brand. Change the colors and fonts using the theme tab. Resize and rearrange elements. Use dividers for clean section breaks. Preview the mobile version from here. Click preview and select mobile for tablet and desktop. Look like amazing. Always over 60% of visitors may come from phones. Once your landing page looks good, it's time to go live. Click the cross button from here. Now you can edit the logo size from here. And connected domain from here. Click custom domain. Now enter your domain name here, then click next and follow the instruction. Now click publish at the top right. Then click publish again. Copy and share your link to social media, email, or QR codes. And that's it. You have just built a free, fully functional landing page using Google Sites. It's simple, fast, and perfect for testing ideas, collecting leads, or promoting products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more no-code tools and business tips. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.